Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Today we had a super clean trade. I actually wasn't really looking to trade. I mean, today is FOMC minutes, so I normally don't even trade those days anyway. If I do, it'll be in the morning. So I just decided to take a quick peek. And as far as the draws and how the morning played out, it was extremely clean. If we can just kind of zoom out here, maybe if you see it a little better here. I'll say, so on the 1 minute, I mean, just zooming out, right? It looks like a mess. Um, you see like all of this up down movement, right? We're kind of just sitting in this range, right? So on days like this, I'm not trading until one side of the range is taken. You know what I mean? And it just so happened to be London lows, which is part of my model. If London lows gets taken, or a session low, then I'm good to look for a trade if it's kind of aligning with my thought process and things like that. So yeah, we'll hop into kind of like the morning bias, what I was looking at and everything. So let's start here. So obviously we still have the new week opening gap that has not been filled yet. So that was definitely a option. But again, last time we had a big new week opening gap, it took a while to for us to actually go down and fill it. We kind of like accumulated a little bit. So I wasn't looking to see it hit today, right? But as far as like the 4 hour gaps and everything, we don't have too much, to be honest. We did overnight or Monday morning, we actually ended up inversing this 4 hour, and we made a good push down, and then we came down, we hit the CE of this wick, and then we reswept that yesterday as well. So kind of unclear, to be honest, like an unclear bias type of day. But again, as I said earlier, if we're trading in a range, and I'm not looking to take anything until we poke ourselves out of that range, and that means sweeping the significant liquidity point. Excuse me. Which in this case was London lows. So yeah, so off of open, we pushed up a little bit. We made 930 highs here. Did not trade back to it. And then we ended up making an SMT right here. Oh, I went too far. It's a quick candle, but anyway, we made an SMT here, and this displacement candle was huge, right? This is kind of what I was looking for the whole time. Is that good displacement? You want to see really nice displacement through a gap. In this case, there was this 30-second gap. The fill was a little like I didn't really want to take it. So what I waited until we came back down. I ended up jumping in here just on my own. I was going to set a limit like at the fair value gap, but just, whatever. Just this was good enough for me, right? So then TP was just at that protected low. And then, stop loss was at the low, TP at the 930 highs. I was definitely thinking about holding this to London highs. But, I kind of told myself I wasn't really looking to trade, today, really until, like, next week. But I like the setup, so I gave it a shot. And for break even, I don't think I went break even. I would have had it marked out, but this would look like a decent break even. But I don't think I did. But this displacement was really good. Let's see what happens. I forgot. I think we just trade right up. Yeah. So like 2 candles, 3, like 2.5 minutes. Super clean trade, and we did actually end up going all the way up to London highs, and then we had a big reversal. So overall, super clean day, right? We session low to session high. And then now we'll probably just chop. We're not gonna do anything crazy for the rest of the day, I bet. Especially because we have FOMC at 2. So yeah, I'm definitely off for the day. I don't know what we even have. I'm gonna check the news for the rest of the week. Let's see. Yeah, so tomorrow Probably not going to trade 8:30 news, bank holidays for a lot of different countries. Thursday, obviously New Year's, bank holiday. And then Friday looks pretty crappy too. So yeah, probably gonna wait for next week. We have a red folder news Monday, so that should be decent. Hopefully, next week we can kick back up, start the new year off, and yeah. So I really just take the time this week, spend time with your families and everything. And yeah, I'll catch you boys next week. So peace out.